Very important, if you coupon at CVS, you could be leaving so much money on the table. Right now, for some reason, not all of your coupons are showing up on the CVS app. You have to go to the CVS website. I went on the website, I logged in. There was probably 15 coupons, store coupons, that I did not see available on the app. If I clipped them and activated them on the website, then they showed up on the app. That is huge because it wound up saving me an extra $10 today just with those coupons that I didn't realize weren't showing up on the app. Before, that's all I was using. So definitely make sure before you go to the store, you are checking the CVS website, go to your deals and rewards and scroll through all of your coupons. The store coupons are gonna be first, the manufacturer coupons are gonna be at the end. Activate as many coupons as you're gonna actually use, and that way you're not missing out. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Bree the Coupon Queen. I share easy digital coupon deals that you can do and how I've paid off over $15,000 of debt with the money that I've saved from couponing, so you can do the same thing. So if you want to pay off debt and live life a lot easier, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Below in the description box is a printable breakdown with some of the deals I'm going to be doing. There are additional deals in this video, so I guarantee you, if you watch this video till the end, you will have a very clear understanding of how you can fight inflation and start saving hundreds of dollars every single month using only your phone and stacking your deals. We have so many great deals on paper products, laundry products, diapers this week for as little as $5.99 per bag. So let's go in and dive into these deals. The first couple deals we're doing are on oral care. So we're gonna grab the Colgate Optic White. These are $3.99 on sale. Buy two, get a $3 extra buck. Plus I have a 4 off 2 digital coupon that everyone will have. And the reason why I'm getting Optic White is because I'm tracking towards this store coupon for $3 off of 12 of Colgate Optic White products. So for these two products, after the coupon comes off, you're gonna wind up paying $3.98, earning back a $3 extra buck, makes it 98 cents for two of them, or 49 cents each. Perfect stock up price. The next deal we're grabbing is on the large Colgate Optic White Advanced. These are part of a promotion. Spend $20, earn back a $10 extra buck. They're $9.19, and we have a $3 off 1 digital coupon. Next, we're going to grab one of the Colgate toothbrushes here that are $12.29. They're included in the promotion, and we have a separate $3 off 1 digital coupon. So total for these two products is $21.68. We have $6 in digital coupons, so you would pay $15.68, earn back the $10 extra buck, makes it $5.68 for two of them. But I'm gonna do all of these in one transaction, which is well over $25 worth of products. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna use the 4 off of 25 Colgate store coupon that I have available. Not everyone's gonna have that, so definitely double check. That'll save me an additional $4. So now I'm gonna wind up only paying $1.68 for both of these, which is a really good deal. If you don't need any toothbrushes, here's an even better way that you can do the deal for the spend $20, get $10 in extra bucks for Colgate. Grab one of the Pro series for $11.19. We have a $5 off 1 digital coupon. Next, you're still gonna grab the Optic White Advanced for $9.19 with the $3 digital coupon. So total for these two is $20.38. After the $8 in digital coupons come off, you'll pay $12.38. Get back the $10 extra buck, makes it only $2.38 for both of them. Again, I would put all of these in the same transaction so that I can use the 4 off of 25 Colgate CRT. So that's gonna make these, after the $4 coupon comes off as well, I'm gonna wind up paying only $8, hold on, yes, $8.38, getting back a $10 extra buck. So these two are wind up going to be free and like $1.62 moneymaker. The next deal we're doing is on hair care. I'm completely sold out of hair care. That's one of the very popular items when I resell my stockpile. So we're gonna get some Garnier Whole Blends. They are 2 for $9 this week. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. There is a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I also noticed on the website, I had a 20% off of Garnier Whole Blends digital coupon, which wasn't originally showing on the app. So once I clipped it on the website, now it's showing on the app. So I don't know what's going on with all that, but I'm assuming it'll take off about $1.20. I should pay $4.80 out of pocket, earn back a $3 extra buck, makes it $1.80 for 2 of them, or 90 cents a piece. Stay tuned at the end. I always show you guys my full receipt so you can see exactly how all of these coupons work at checkout, so you know exactly what to expect. So if you're not subscribed yet, definitely click that subscribe button. Another deal is on the Garnier fruit teas. So these are part of a promotion for buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and they are regularly priced. We do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon on the app. So I'll pay $7.58, earn back a $3 extra buck, makes it $4.58 for 2 of them, or about $2.29 a piece. We definitely get it much cheaper. However, I am going to be stacking my deals and rolling my rewards. Plus, like I mentioned, I do have some clients who are consistently looking for hair care products, so I'll be able to resell it quickly. Next deal we're grabbing is on Axe body wash. They are buy 1 get 1 half off. They're $5.99 at my store, and when you buy 2, you'll get back a $5 extra buck. Plus, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon right on the CVS app. So I'll pay $8.98, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $3.98 for 2 of them, or $1.99 a piece, which in my opinion is a great stock up price for Axe. Another coupon I noticed I had on the CVS website is a Hallmark CRT. I have not had one of these, honestly, in probably 2 years. I was so freaking excited because I'm like almost out of tissue paper. Perfect timing. These are $1.99 each. I'm gonna grab 2 of them and I'm gonna use them for my son's Easter basket. They are $1.99, grab 2. There is a 3 off 2 Hallmark CRT that I got. I'll pay 99 cents for 2 of them, or 49 cents a piece. Another option, if you have a Hallmark CRT, or even if you don't, you can grab some Hallmark cards. They are buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. If you have a baby shower or something coming up, this could be perfect. Grab 2 of the ones. The cheapest ones here are $2.99 for the gift cards. You'll grab 2, use the 3 off 2 Hallmark CRT. You'll pay $2.98, get back a $3 extra buck, makes 2 of them completely free. They also have some cute little kids' birthday ones that are also $2.99, so you can mix and match. Here's an okay deal that you guys can do, still cheaper than grabbing these at Walmart, is on the Pampers wipes. So they are $3.49 on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. There's no coupons available, so you would pay the $6.98 out of pocket, earn back the $3 extra buck, makes them $1.99 a piece. These at Walmart are $2.34, so still cheaper. Another thing you can do is pay with extra bucks that you may have earned from any of the other deals to lower your out-of-pocket cost even more. Next, we have really good deals on diapers this week, and you know I'm always stocking up for my son. I also have a baby shower coming up, so I'm grabbing some for that too. And with it being so warm out, we've been using a bunch of splashers, so I'm actually almost out. This week, they're $10.99. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Now, this deal is on Pampers or Love, so you have to pick which one you want to do. So I'm going to show you a couple examples. I'm going to grab the Pampers Splashers because it's something I need. So grabbing 2 of them, on the Coupons 24 app, there is a $2 off 1 digital coupon. So I'll pay $19.98 out of pocket, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes it $14.98 for 2 of them, or $7.49 per bag, which is a great deal and way cheaper than Walmart. They're $9.99 a piece at Walmart. Another option would be on the Swaddlers. Could grab 2 of these for $21.98. On the Coupons 24 app, there is a 3 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $18.98, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes it $13.98 for 2 of them, or $6.99 a piece. That is the cheapest price for Pampers that I've seen in the last couple months, so run and do this deal. The other option you can do as part of the promotion for buy 2 get 5 is on the Love's diapers. So grab 2 of these at $8.99 each on sale. We have a $1 coupon on the Coupons 24 app. You'll wind up paying $16.98 plus taxes out of pocket, earn back that $5 extra buck, makes it $11.98 for 2 of them, or $5.99 per pack. This is honestly a hard choice, but I do need the Pampers Splashers, so I think I'm gonna go with that one. Then we have an incredible deal on toilet paper, and I personally don't mind Scott Comfort Plus. These are on sale for $10.99 this week. Spend $20, get a $5 extra buck. So this is you're gonna wanna do in store. Grabbing 2 of them will bring you to $21.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon. And I have a 3 off 15 Scott store digital coupon. Again, that one I only found by looking on the CVS website. It was not originally showing on the app. I'll pay $16.98, earn back the $5 extra buck, makes my final cost $11.98 for 2 of them, or $6.99 per pack, which is a really good stock-up price for toilet paper. For laundry products this week, the Arm & Hammer down here are on sale 3 for $7.49, which is a great deal. But we also have a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon. Makes your final cost $5.99 for 3 of them, or $1.99 a piece. Okay, we're back in from CVS. I did a couple different transactions, which I always emphasize for my Everyday Savings Club members. I tell them the same thing. Always do a minimum of 2 transactions, period. If you're only doing 2 deals, you should be doing 2 transactions so you can use the rewards in your next transaction to lower your out-of-pocket cost. That's how we're saving hundreds of dollars every single month. So let me show you guys my transactions so you can see exactly how I did it. Okay, so my first transaction, and I honestly don't like these new receipts. I like the old receipts. Maybe it's just because I'm like used to them, so these like take me a second. Scrub on that a second. Okay, this is the first one. Now I get asked this all the time. I always go to a cashier. I just always have. Yes, you can do this at the self-checkout. I just personally don't do that. Totally up to you what you want to do. So the first transaction, I grabbed all of the Colgate products. Then I also grabbed, see, I can't even read this backwards. Yeah, okay, so these are Colgate products. The Garnier Whole Blends products is what I also grabbed. Here's all the coupons coming off. So we have the Colgate coupons, 4 off 25, the Axe, everything came off. These are extra bucks that I rolled from last week when I did my deals. Would have cost me only $13.74 out of pocket. I did have a gift card that I used to cover the cost, so my out of pocket was actually $0 on this transaction. Then I did earn back all of my extra bucks that I then rolled into my second transaction. That's why, again, always do 2 transactions. My second transaction, I did the Garnier Fructis. Then I also did the Axe and the Hallmark gift wrapping paper, and I grabbed a Revlon nail polish. I forgot to show this deal, but they're $6.19. I had a $4 off instant coupon that everyone got, and I had a $2 coupon, which again, I found on the website, saved me an extra $2. It made it 19 cents. So of course I'm gonna grab some nail polish for 19 cents. Here's all, are you focusing? There we go. Here's the extra bucks and coupons that I used from my previous transaction. Paid just taxes out of pocket on this one. And I covered that with the rest of, you are driving me bonkers. Can we focus? Can we focus? Thank you. With the rest of the Fetch Rewards gift card, because it was a $50 gift card. Okay, so we went through these 2. And then finally, I grabbed the Scott products on a separate transaction. So the digital coupons came off, both of them here, and then I used the extra bucks that I just earned and paid, it would have been $10.52 out of pocket, covered that with a gift card. So when I say I was able to grab over $100 worth of products for free, that's what I mean, because I used a digital gift card to cover any little out-of-pocket costs that I would have had. So if you look at my bank account, it has no idea that I even went to CVS because I used a digital gift card from Fetch Rewards to also cover my cost. So this Friday, I have a free live where I'm going to be showing you my step-by-step process. It's all part of stacking your deals. So you're stacking your sale prices, you're using coupons, you're using rewards, you're earning rewards back. Sometimes you're getting cash back. Sometimes you're able to use gift cards as well to all further lower your out-of-pocket cost. Then you've got to go home and track your spending. So that's what we're going to do now, so I can show you guys exactly what it looks like. This is probably the most crucial part, and I would guarantee you, if you're not saving as much money as you want, if you're not saving hundreds of dollars, or you're like, is this even working? I guarantee you it's because you're not tracking your spending. So the spreadsheet that I use is super simple. If you guys want to snag it and download it, you definitely can. I will link it below for you guys. It comes with a video training too to walk you through step by step exactly how to set it up. Once you get it all set up, I spend 15 minutes a week just updating it and making sure that everything is ready to go. So let's head home and I'll show you how to do it. All right, we are back home from CVS. So I'm gonna be adding everything into my budget spreadsheet. Now I already finalized for March, so I am gonna be putting these transactions in for April. So at the bottom, you see all the different tabs. If you guys grab this, it does have video tutorials teaching you how to do the budget setup tab, how to do the financial planner tab, the whole 9 yards. So definitely watch those. It also tells you how to download it and make a copy. It's a Google Drive spreadsheet, so you can use it on Mac, Android, iPhone, iPad, anything, it doesn't matter. So what we're gonna do is put the date, and we're gonna pick the store. Now, sale price is just what it says. What is the sale price of all the products in your first transaction? So for me, it's $29.23. My out of pocket was $0. Because I used a Fetch Rewards gift card. So nothing came out of my bank account to buy those products. And I did not get any cash back. Next, we did $29.73. The next transaction was $21.98. And finally, another $21.98. And nothing out of pocket. So obviously we saved 100%, which is $102.92 for grabbing all of those products, which is so amazing. So what I do then at the end of the month, this money that I've saved would still be sitting in my checking account, because if I wasn't couponing, this money would have been spent at CVS, at Walmart, at Publix, at Target, wherever, buying products and paying full price. But now that I'm doing coupon deals, stacking my deals, using rewards, the whole 9 yards, that money is now still sitting in my checking account. So at the end of the month or at the end of the week, what you need to do is take that money, transfer it to your emergency fund, make an additional payment to your debt. Whatever your financial goals are for this year, that's what you need to do with that money. Do not just leave it in your checking account. Otherwise, it's just going to disappear and you'll never actually be making strides towards your financial goals for the year. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to come to my free live class on Friday, click the link all the way in the opposite corner and you guys can register, reserve your seat, and you'll get the Zoom link. That way you can tune in live. And I do a full Q&A at the end as well. So bring me your questions so I can personally help you on your journey. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.